Today, me and my friends are heading to Germany to buy a cheap car to see if we can flip it for profit back home in Belgium. The question is, did I find a bargain or are German cars a scam? To find today's car, I went on Germany's main marketplace called mobile.de, where after looking through dozens of listings, I found one which stood out. A well sought after Seat Ibiza from 2014. The car has done 150,000 kilometers, but it only had one owner, with a fully complete service book and a lot of invoices from the other mechanical work which has been done on the car. The asking price was 3,000 euros. Similar cars in Belgium sell for around 4,000 euros. So on paper, there was room for profit, even before negotiating. So I grabbed my boys, rented a trailer, and we made our way there. And after a quick 1-hour ride, we arrived at the seller. Our first thought after a quick inspection and a test drive, not too bad. The seller initially wanted 3,000 euros, but we were able to negotiate him down to 2,700 euros. We quickly started loading up the car on our trailer. Loading up the car was a little bit sketchy, but luckily nothing happened and everything worked out correctly. Let's maybe say my poor Seat didn't enjoy it as much as we did. The last thing that was left to do was secure the car to the trailer. And after that was done, we were all set to go. With the car all loaded up, we made our way back to Belgium, and our mood was great. We arrived at my friend's garage with no problems, and we started unloading the car. I can tell you guys, driving down the trailer with a car feels like balancing on a rope in between buildings. One wrong move and it's over. But luckily for us, nothing happened. A few days later, we started working on the car. We had a lot of work in front of us. We already knew from the test drive that we had done earlier when we bought the car that the rear shock absorbers are absolutely dead and we had a wheel bearing to change. Okay guys, a few days have passed. We have the car in my friend's garage and we have a lot of parts which we're gonna put on the car. Our goal for today is to get the car MOT worthy so we can pass inspection so that we can sell the car. Also guys, I forgot to mention, we got the car summer tires. So we have one set of summer tires and one set of winter tires. And as you can see, it's sunny outside. It's almost summer, so we're also gonna change the wheels. The first thing that we decided to start with was the rear shock absorbers. After a quick unboxing and a quick round of ASMR, we lifted our car and then we started to remove the old shock absorbers. Weirdly enough, we had a lot of fun actually removing them, which never happens.
Parce que c'est aller rouiller, c'est lui. J'ai pas d'autre. Si j'aime, elle est là-bas. Putain, c'est vraiment de la merde. Da kommt ja gar nicht viel Dreck raus.
First one down. Here we have the old shock absorbers. And as you can see, they're all rusty and this one's even all the oil spilled out. So we're gonna change them. If you're wondering what we're spraying on this bolt, it's rust remover. The bolt breaks loose better. But despite using the rust remover, we still had to put up a fight to disassemble the shock absorber. Then we put together the new shock absorbers to put them in the car. Tighten the bolt to spec. Then it was time to put them back in the car. After a quick inspection, we're gonna change the wheel bearing and we're gonna check up on the drum brakes.
Ça sort là-bas.
Just from how hard it was to remove them, we could already tell that the drum brakes were absolutely cooked. And oh boy, were we right.
Oh putain. Non, il est...
J'ai jamais vu des tambours comme ça. Oh putain. I have never seen this much amount of brake dust in my life.
Partout là.
Oh. And as we felt it from driving the car, the wheel bearing on the right side was dead. Luckily for us, changing it was really easy.
Ouais, il est déjà mis. Pas cool.
Last thing that was left to do, of course, you guessed it, tighten it down to spec. Beep, 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 beep.
Very good. Nice job.
We cleaned the drum brakes and then put everything back together. And now we will give the car a little oil change. The oil also has seen some better days, so it's good that we changed it. After all the oil is drained, I put the drain plug back in and I tighten it.
Oh yeah, baby. It's like this. Guys, this is no good, guys.
One thing that we also noticed was that the front brakes were in the same state as the rear brakes. They were all rusty. My friend is going to order some new brake pads and some new brake discs, and he's gonna replace them himself before the inspection.
Last thing left to do, change the oil filter, my friend. Put on the new filter.
Perfect.
Okay, we're filling in the oil right now. What do you think about the car, my friend?
Grosse shit.
Close shit. So we knew the car needed some work, you know, the wheel bearing and stuff like that. We knew we had to change that. The car stood outside for a really long time, so we're gonna also change the front brake discs and the brake pads, so everything's fresh, new and clean, so that the new client gets a good car with good brakes and he doesn't have to worry about that. Exactly 1 week passed and my friend has finally brought me the car with the new front brakes, which I told you about. Has put on some new front discs and some new front brakes. I booked the inspection. It's in 2 weeks. The last thing that we can do now is take some pictures of the car and already list it online. So let's go ahead and take the pictures together. To take the pictures of the car, I'm gonna search for a nice quiet spot with a good looking background. Luckily for us today, the sun is out, it's very beautiful, so that is an extra for some good pictures. We got the pictures of the car. I will list the car online. I will make a video about me going to the inspection. You can definitely expect a part 2 in a few weeks. And with that said, thank you guys very much for watching the video. And I hope you guys have a nice day. See you.